Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Doge update today. And bearish divergence, very huge sell-off going on the RSI right now. So it does look like we're losing the power from the buyers at the moment, and a lot of sellers are stepping in, not only on Dogecoin, but it looks like it is like this all over crypto. And the thing is that Dogecoin is definitely going to be affected. I mean, let's look at what Doge did. Where did Dogecoin came from, right? So just zoom out a little bit, and the move started back in October 10, almost 1.5 months ago, right? So 45 days ago, we saw the rise, huge, gigantic rise, right? And yes, at some point you're always going to stop. The expectation was we would reach even 0.56. Chances were there. But then again, you also have reason for not going there, because you have moved nearly from that time 360% pump. Okay. Isn't it just very normal behavior if we ever see Dogecoin correcting down in the next coming days? Everybody knows that a coin is never ever in your whole life, you're never going to see a coin keep on moving to the upside without coming down. It will never happen. There was never a coin that was created or will ever be created. I don't think so. And the thing is, there's a lot of liquidation points down at these levels, which I'm going to tell you. But one thing that has caught my attention, and I think this is a pattern here, is we probably have this break going on with Dogecoin. There's a support that Doge has lost, and the retest has also happened. So if you look at Doge, we had the touch that started here, second one here, third one right here, and then you also had a pullback, you hold it, and then you made a bearish closing, you turn it into a resistance, whatever was support before, and that's it. Okay, support is lost. Secondly, the divergence on the RSI is clear. You have higher highs coming in with Doge here, and then you have Dogecoin at the same time, which is moving down on the RSI. So bearish divergences. So if we connect all the dots, you could even actually say that Dogecoin can go from top to bottom here, and I think you could actually see a retracement down to 0.3, and that is pretty normal. As I said before, zoom out and you will understand that the coin has literally pumped so much, it is going to take a break at one particular point. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love you.